This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with a Bosch dishwasher that will not go into the wash cycle. We can hear the motor humming. So this part, the impeller, the green part, is stuck, and that's why we hear humming from the motor, but it's not washing. It's due to often a little piece of broken glass, usually a wine glass, gets stuck in the impeller. So we removed the filter and we took off the little gray cover. And there's a hole here to the right of this area called the sump. And about an inch in is the impeller. And I can feel with my finger that there's something blocking it. And it feels like a piece of glass. So I'm going to use a little hook tool to try to get behind the piece of glass and pull it out toward me so I can get it out. And that's what's blocking the impeller from moving and causing the circulation motor to hum. And this happens when you start the cycle. First you hear the drain, then you hear the water filling into the machine, and then you should hear the water swooshing around from the circulation motor. But on this machine you just heard a clicking sound from the relay and then a humming sound, which is a stuck motor. And again, this is due to just a piece of glass broke and somehow got past the triple filter. So I can feel it. I'm just trying to get this hook tool behind it so I can pull it out. I'm going to use a pair of needle nose pliers now because I think I can get the pliers on the piece of glass. And if I can, I'll pull it out. And then I'm just trying not to break it, because if it breaks, maybe little pieces will go a little bit deeper in. So just take your time here, be patient. There we go. There's our piece of wine glass. I'm just going to feel with my finger now if there's anything left. Be careful that you don't get cut. Just use light pressure. I can feel another piece, so I'm going to just use my finger to pull that out. There's another piece. And it's kind of hard to see because the glass is clear, so just take your time, feel around lightly for any small pieces that might still be in there. So the dishwasher was doing everything else normal. It was draining, filling, but it would not do circulation. So I felt a couple of more little pieces in there. I'll pull up on this little gray plastic piece again. Just do one more sweep. Yeah, there's another couple of little pieces. There we go. And then when we put this back together, it did great. So that's all that was. Just a piece of broken wine glass had gotten in there. This can also happen to the drain impeller, which is located to the left. To the right is the circulation impeller. So I'm putting the plastic cover back on for the circulation impeller port, putting the screen back on, putting the filter back in, and then make sure you turn these and get them to lock. If they don't lock, then little pieces of glass can get past and seeds can get in there and cause trouble. So I got that to lock. We put the spray arm back on. I'm going to hand the broken pieces back to the customer, and then we gave it a test, and it was back running strong again. So that's how you can get your Bosch working again if it starts to hum. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.